9th, 2018. This one here, I gotta go to an old lady's house. She's got a bunch of stuff she needs done over there. An outside faucet's leaking, kitchen sink's leaking, and an upstairs shower's got issues. So I'm going over there now and see what I can do for her. I just stopped by over there Friday and see what was going on, but it's Monday morning. I'm going back over there now and pick up a couple of things at the supply house. But try to get you some shots if I can. Kind of a cold day. It's probably like 30 degrees out this morning. So, I should be able to just put washers and seats in there.
Did you get all through with the house next door?
Yeah, it's all set.
I had neighbors there when I first moved down here with this old elderly couple that lived there for a long time.
Well, that was Larry, right?
My house was built first, and then the father built that house next door for his son. And they added the back, maybe they told you about this house. To give you a little bit of Westport history, after Larry got it, they changed it into a summer house. They could bring their kids down.
Yeah.
So I haven't been renovated it because I know there's a bedroom upstairs.
Yeah, he kind of cleaned it up a little bit. I guess he's going to sell it.
Yeah.
He's got cancer.
He's got cancer?
He's got cancer in his back.
Oh, you're kidding.
No, he's retired now and all that stuff. That's what he said. He got cancer in his back. I mean, that's not good.
I was surprised he didn't stop in and say hello because when they would be down, him and his wife, they'd always come over and say hello, you know? They're good people.
Yeah, like I said, he's got issues, so I'm going to try to fix this faucet. You want it fixed or you want me to just replace it? I would try fixing it.
Well, if it fixes it, it's going to work, but it has to be replaced. You know, I'm at the stage where I have to do the best I can.
Yeah, if I could fix it, I'll fix it. I mean, if not, we'll replace it. But I think I could just change the seats and springs. The washers in there. I mean, the thing hasn't been apart in ages.
No, it hasn't. My daughter was living with me for about a year and a half, 2 years. So, you know, when you have more than one person taking care of something.
Man, that thing is on there.
So.
This thing been here since Moby Dick was a minnow.
Moby Dick what?
This thing's been here since Moby Dick was a minnow.
Is that right?
That's back in the day.
It probably is, yeah, because this is an old... It's funny, I grew up out in Minnesota, and we lived in the house that my father and his dad had built old houses. So I always felt I was very fortunate to find this old house. Maybe a lot of work, a lot of upkeep to it, but it's really something special to me. So I'd like to keep it for another year or so, whatever I've got here left. Now you live here in what? You live here in Dartmouth or Westport?
Dartmouth.
Dartmouth.
Right up the street.
Well, that's handy. You know, that was really, because I didn't know who to call when my plumber retired like that, and I was at a loss.
Yeah, he's been giving out my number to people. David.
Okay, well, I certainly will because I...
No, he's been giving my number out to people, some of his customers.
Yeah, well,
He's retired now, Stringer.
Yeah, he did. He retired, and then when I went to call him about the plumbing and stuff, his wife said, well, he's retired. I said, oh, wow. So he had a lot of retired before I passed on. I had to look for somebody else. But it worked out well because my son seen the truck over there with the thing. So I said, well, go ask him, see if he does anything, because I don't know who to...
Yeah.
You know, it takes time to build up faith in your tradesmen. A lot of them are honest and above board, and then there's others that, well, you're a woman, you don't know any better, so they take you for a ride.
Yeah.
So, anyway, that's life.
Man, I think it's kind of jacked on there. Hello, could I help you?
Oh, hi, Steve. How you doing?
Oh, I'm doing okay. What's up?
Oh, it sounds like I woke you up. I didn't wake you up today.
No, I'm working on the faucet.
Yeah. Okay, great. I have a problem with one of my drain pipes from the second floor. It seems like whenever they wash dishes, the bunch of water just pours down, comes down into the basement. I don't know exactly where the leak is. They don't see it up there.
You can't see it upstairs?
No, they can't see it.
It must be in the wall then.
I haven't looked myself, but they said they can't see it.
Yeah, that's not good.
No, it's not good. It sounds like it's in between the walls.
Yeah, that's not a good situation.
Yeah.
Probably gonna have to open up the wall then. If that's the case.
What'd you say?
Probably gonna have to open up the wall and replace the pipe in the
Yeah,
wall.
I know. Yeah, I have no idea where it is.
But we can figure it out, you know, once we get there and run it and we see the water, we just follow the water.
Yeah. I thought for a long time it was just from the roof water, from the rains and stuff like that, but when they were washing the dishes, it just poured down.
Yeah, well, when do you want to do something?
I am free all week. I'm on vacation this week, so anytime you have a moment, it'd be great for him, please.
Alright, I got your number on my phone here. Let me give you a call back. You'd probably do something tomorrow, I'm thinking. Maybe start in the morning, you know, and something like that.
Yeah, I hear you.
Okay?
Okay, sounds good.
Yeah, I'll call you back. Yep.
Okay, thanks.
Right.
Bye.
That might be the one. No. Seats and springs, that's like a Delta. Try that.
that's the biggest lesson I've learned about getting older is that the spirit is willing, but the flesh is weak.
Really?
I'm not kidding you. It's so frustrating to me that I can't take a mop and a bucket of water.
How old are you now?
I'm 92.
Oh, okay.
I mean, I'm thankful for what I can take care of myself.
Yeah.
Then you have to be
Yeah, I worked for a lady who was 97. She was still living by herself.
Beautiful.
Yeah, I mean, she's doing okay, you know.
Well, you know, you have to really try and do the best you can.
She kept going. She wasn't. She says as you get older, it's not as easy as people think. I mean,
No, you do what
she was a little crusty. She was a little crusty looking, but she was getting up there, you know.
I feel crusty. I look in the mirror and I say, "Who's this old bat that's looking back at me?" I just
Oh, that's
don't
bad.
look at me, because that don't matter to me. It's what I can do.
Hey, you're in your 90s. I guess you're doing okay, you know.
Well, I like to, you know, I've always papered and wallpapered and did things. Because I enjoy it.
He's talking to me, Mama. Mama, he's talking to me, Mama. Talking to me, Mama. Hey, Mama. Hey. Chicken Little. Is that you, Chicken Little? Chicken Little, is that you?